Kadın su içer.
İçer.
Kadın su içer. Let's check this. Correct! Hi guys, this is me Esmatullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Okay, after 2 weeks I come back and I want to make this video. I recently downloaded an app called Doulingo. It's an online app. You can download it free, and this app is so effective. You can learn different languages and pretty much it. Yeah, I want to use this app to learn Turkish because one of my favorite languages is Turkish. I want to learn Turkish because they have such a beautiful language and culture. If you're from Turkey, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Yeah, don't forget this is an online app. If you wanted to download this app, I will put the link in the description box below. You can check that out. And now we are going to start this app. Let's just let go. Yeah. You can choose different sections because it has different sections. Basic, phrases, adjectives, food, and animals, plural, to be, and different kinds of way to learn Turkish. Okay, and now we are going to pick basic because I am not in a high level. I'm in basic. I want to start it. Yeah, it's loading. Okay, the hardest exercise from level 1. Continue. We're going to continue this. Adam ekmek yer.
Adam ekmek yer.
Adam ekmek yer. Yeah, that's it, guys. I pronounced correctly. Yeah, the man eats bread. Let's continue. Select the missing word. Ekmek ye su iç. Yeah, I did it. Eat bread and drink water. Ekmek ye ve su iç. Su, it means water, guys. Let's continue. Translate this sentence. Eat an apple.
Bir. Ye. Elma.
Oh, wrong. I did it wrong. This is bir elma ye. I did it bir ye elma. Now select the missing word erkek. Erkek. Boy. Çukuk. Çukuk. It means boy.
O yer.
O yer.
O yer.
O yer. Translate this sentence. Now we are going to translate it. O yer, what does it mean? It eats. Good job. Yeah, guys. We did it, okay? This app is very useful. You can download it and learn the different languages, not just Turkish. You can learn German, you can learn English, you can learn Portuguese, Spanish, and different languages. Pretty much it. Let's continue. Okay, select the missing word. Kadın ve ekmek yer. Kadın ve kız yer. Kız ekmek yer. Kız, I think that's right. Oh, that's wrong. Oh guys, we have just 3 hearts. Oh god. We are almost losing. Please guys, let's help me and comment down below. Translate this sentence. The woman drinks water.
Kadın. Su.
Kadın su içer.
İçer.
Kadın su içer. Let's check this. Correct! That's it, guys. You are very smart.
Kadın ekmek yer.
Kadın ekmek yer. Let's check this. Kadın ekmek yer. He breathe. No. Kadın ekmek yer. What does it mean? We have to translate this sentence. Yeah, he eats bread. Maybe that's correct. Oh, wow. That's wrong. Oh, guys, we have just 2 hearts. Let's try this. Translate the sentence. Eat bread and drink water.
Ekmek.
İç.
İç.
And
Ve. Ye. Su.
Maybe that's wrong, alright? We're gonna do this. Ekmek iç ve ye su. Oh God, wrong. That's wrong.
Kadın ve adam ekmek yer.
Guys, we have just 1 heart, okay? Kadın ve adam ekmek yer. The woman. Now we should be careful. The woman. Ve it means and. The woman and he ekmek eat bread. Check this out, guys. Translate the sentences. Kadın ve adam ekmek yer. The woman and he eats bread. Eat bread. Check. Oh God. We lost. The woman and the man eat bread. Let's continue. Do we have any chance to get a heart free? Go back. There's maybe some option to get a heart and try it. Okay guys, that's it. I did a lot of mistakes. That's enough for today's video. If you wanted me to make another episode like this, please make sure comment down below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, and directly you can message me or DM me on my Instagram page. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Let's say gule gule. Bye for now. Peace.